What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Turn Them Wheels. Today I'm going to be showing y'all this Veepeak OBDCheck BLE OBD2 scan tool. This thing will work perfect with your iPhone or iPad or even Android. Let's check it out. They have their support team on the back with the customer service, and they do have a satisfaction guaranteed. So it's very small. It'll just plug into your OBD port, your onboard diagnostic port. So every car made after 1996 will have one of these, OBD2. The old ones would be OBDII. See if I can get underneath it. Let's see. And it's stuck in there. I'm just gonna tear it. Okay, looks like it does come in a nice case. Veepeak branding. Very cool. So it says Veepeak OBD2 scan tool with the Veepeak incorporated. This one's very nice because the blue driver doesn't come with the case. This one does, and it fits very nice inside, snug. Let's take it out. A little paperwork fell out. It tells you how to do it. You plug in the device, turn on the car ignition. You should see Veepeak and the Bluetooth, and then it says do not connect. It'll connect in the app. So on the apps, what you want to use is like OBD Fusion or Auto Scanner, Car Scanner, something like that. So let's close this up. Set it to the side. I'm going to plug this into the OBD port. I'll go ahead and plug it in right now. And I went ahead and opened up OBD Fusion. I'm going to do English. Next. Dashboard management. We'll just do simple. Wi-Fi adapters, Bluetooth LE. Communication type. We're going to do Bluetooth LE. Let's do next. Plug your adapter into the OBD2 port and start the engine with the vehicle in park. Okay, everything's already there. Press the connect button below. OBD Fusion would like to connect to Bluetooth. So it says connecting, connected. So it's pretty fast to recognize the signal and pick it up. So adapter connected, vehicle connecting. So I guess it's scanning with the ECM, the engine control module, basically the computer. On some cars they call it the PCM, the powertrain control module. It's all the same thing. It's the brains of the operation. Let's see. It's still scanning. Success. The connection to your adapter and vehicle completed successfully. Press the done button to close the setup dialog. We'll hit OK. Done. We'll do allow while using, connecting, trying protocol. Let's see. So as you can see in the corner, it is picking up the signal of the Bluetooth. And then it's doing the protocol. It's communicating with the high-speed and low-speed network on the actual car. Reading vehicle information. Edit vehicle. This is the first time you connected to this vehicle. 2013 General Motors. And then you can edit the vehicle later. Let's do you want to use the vehicle editor to edit your vehicle build and settings? We'll do yes. Initializing 2013. So it does pull the VIN. You can set up a name, the model, the type. Fuel type, engine size, liters, little stuff like that. Let's do back. Let's do diagnostics. Some functions on this page can interfere with vehicle operation when the engine is running. You should only use this feature with the key in the on position and the engine off. Do you want to continue? We're going to say yes. Do not display again. Reading permanent codes. No trouble codes are detected on the confirmed, on the pending, or the permanent. And it's saying the malfunction indicator lamp status is off. Distance traveled while the light is activated 0. Number of warm-ups since the codes were cleared 55. Distance traveled since it's cleared 527. We can do a freeze frame. They'll see if the code if a code was set, it'll tell you any information about that. But since there's none, there shouldn't be any freeze frames. So that should be good. We'll let that load and we'll go back. Okay, we can go to PID values. That's going to show all like your live data. So it's saying the RPM, the engine's just idling right now. On these trucks, they idle like around 580 to 620. So it's all looks normal. And then we'll do report. Some functions we'll do yes, do not display again. So this will tell you the monitor test if you need to check for the smog check or the inspection, whatever your they call it. So freeze frame, trouble codes, monitor test. And then it's going to do oxygen sensors and onboard monitoring, and then vehicle information. Let's see, onboard monitoring, and then vehicle information, and then the PID snapshot. So this thing, I mean, it communicates super fast, and this is very easy to use. Okay, let's go do the monitor test. Use the menu to select a readiness standard. So it says right now it's not ready for the emissions testing. Right now it has completed this test for comprehensive component. For the fuel pump control module, the TCM, the ECM. So this is where you want to check in the ECM. So the misfire is good. Fuel system, it'll have to be driven a little more. Catalyst, heated catalyst, evap, oxygen sensor heater, and then the EGR, the exhaust gas recirculation, and then the variable valve timing system. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of, I think, 8. So the only one, just the fuel system. Let's see what else it can do. Monitors, logs, diagnostics, dashboards. We can go into dashboards. So it'll show you the miles per hour, the engine temperature. So currently this truck's at 210. So that's kind of what it's pointing right there. The mass airflow, it's on pounds per minute. I always change this to grams per second. Let's do size and location, change display type. Let's see. So we can change the way it's set up. And then the fuel rate, saying it's using almost half a gallon per hour. The battery, 13.6 is what it's showing. And the vehicle speed, fuel rate, oxygen sensor 1, number 2, total fuel economy, instant fuel economy, boost, acceleration, and it has different ones that you can add. So very cool little tool. It's not too expensive. That way you won't have to go to like the parts houses like O'Reilly, AutoZone, you know, for example. You can use this. It's Bluetooth, it's fast, it communicates. I would highly recommend this thing, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll put the link in the description.